Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we will see how to reclassify asset categories. Reclassify is nothing but changing the asset category. Now let's create one asset. Click on Navigator. Click on Fixed Assets. Click on Assets. Now click on Task List. Now click on Add Asset. Now select the category, major category, say ERPs and buildings. Say ERPZEN DLF building. Now click on OK. Write description. Buildings purchased cost, let's say 40 lakhs, and select the location, state, county, say city, so building, save OK. Yeah, click on next. Select the expense account. Click on OK. Now say next. Now asset number, say 1071. Say asset key, that is optional, but I want to populate. Let's say it's anime planet. Say OK. Save OK. Now you can see all the information, and the asset number is 1071. Say submit. Now we will see monitor process. Post online asset transactions. It is succeeded. Now we'll inquire that asset. Go to fixed assets, asset inquiry. Now search with the asset number 1071. Here you can see the category is ERPZEN buildings and ERPZEN DLF building. User wrongly entered this category and he or she wants to change this category. Now how to do that? We'll check that. Click on navigator. Click on fixed assets. Click on assets. Click on task list or task pane. Now click on adjust assets. Select your asset number. Search with your asset number 1071. You can see this is the category ERPZEN buildings and ERPZEN DLF building. Select this record and click on change category. Say you can write comments, that is optional, but I want to change the new category to ERPZEN furniture. Say ERPZEN chairs. Now click on OK. Now say submit. We'll check any process as scheduled. Again, system has scheduled one more process. Post online asset transactions. It is also successfully completed. Now click on navigator or hamburger icon. Go to fixed assets. Click on asset inquiry. Now search with your asset number 1071. You can see the category has been changed. ERPZEN furniture and ERPZEN chairs. Previously it is ERPZEN buildings and ERPZEN DLF buildings. Now click on home. That's it for today's video. If you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.